Maybe they didn't like your parents. They like you, but they didn't like your parents.
R&R.
The red flags are your parents, no?
Okay. What are your
Ah.
red flags? You first, you started. What's your red flag? So muna.
What do you mean? You know your weakness.
No, you know what your red flags are. Yeah, weakness.
Yeah, but you negate that. You don't really think of them as red flags because you know you're improving yourself.
No, but if you self-reflect, you know what's your red flag.
Ako muna. You don't wanna know?
No.
I'm hypocrite. Especially my children. I'm hypocrite, I said, because sometimes lang, when I feel
Ayoko na silang makita. But when I read a message, well, I'm seeing you, tumutupi na naman ako. Kaya, but I try not to be hypocrite right now in front of you. But when we are not together, I know nagagalit ako. But today my part, I've given her the message, supposed to be is always hope. All my life, always hope, always hope. But now I've lost all the hopes na I like na hanap ako. Like, if you're gonna see me, you're gonna see me. If you don't, I'm not gonna expect them not to hope. I don't live for hoping anymore. I just live my life without needing to hope. How's that? Is that motivating for you? Yeah. Because when you turn 49, you think I wanted to have that thought. I don't like live without hope. Not hope, expect. Hope without expectation. Not expectations like hoping up. Expectation that is there. That you can still wait for someone. Don't wait for someone. Don't wait na lang. Like if you're not gonna be there, but I was thinking kanina, so you arrived, but that's your coming up. What if I didn't go down? Are you gonna come up? I was thinking that eh. Parang that's why it took time for me also to go down. I was waiting for you to come up. And then I said, I lost hope na talaga. I still went down, right? I thought na lang of my justice that I'm gonna share with both of you before we continue about your red flags.
what do you like about him na lang?
Me, I like that. Makes sense.
Okay, ano red flags mo? Ano red flags mo? Like, nga, kay Chloe, back to you. What did you not like?
Attitude.